Hello, I'm here to finish up the last three paragraphs of chapter 6 of Animal Farm. So, right where the last video left off, they had just found that the windmill was knocked down and Napoleon was walking around, pacing and sniffing and trying to figure out what had happened. Comrades, he said quietly, do you know who is responsible for this? Do you know the enemy who has come in the night and overthrown our windmill? Snowball! He suddenly roared in a voice of thunder. Snowball has done this thing, in sheer malignity, thinking to set back our plans and avenge himself for his ignominious expulsion. This traitor has crept here under the cover of night and destroyed our work of nearly a year. Comrades, here and now I pronounce the death sentence upon Snowball, animal hero second class and a half a bushel apples to any animal who brings him to justice, a full bushel to anyone who captures him alive. The animals were shocked beyond measure to learn that Snowball could be guilty of such an action. There was a cry of indignation, and everyone began thinking out ways of catching Snowball if he should ever come back. Almost immediately, the footprints of a pig were discovered in the grass at a little distance from the knoll. They could only be traced for a few yards, but appeared to lead to a hole in the hedge. Napoleon snuffed deeply at them and pronounced them to be snowballs. He gave it as his opinion that Snowball had probably come from the direction of Foxwood Farm. No more delays, comrade, cried Napoleon, when his footprints had been examined. There is work to be done. This very morning we begin rebuilding the windmill, and we will all build through the winter, rain, or shine. We will teach this miserable traitor that he cannot undo our work so easily. Remember, comrades, there must be no alteration in our plans. They shall be carried out to the day. Forward, comrades. Long live the windmill. Long live Animal Farm. All right, that is the end of chapter 6. So, turning back to what the assignment is, Old Major wanted a true communist economy in Animal Farm. Based on what you have learned this week and what we have read of Animal Farm so far, what kind of economic slash government system currently exists in the novel? Your response should be five to seven sentences. Use the 2-seek method. Include evidence from both the video from Tuesday and the Animal Farm, any chapter. A thesis that claims the farm is capitalist, socialist, or communist. So you have to choose one of these. Which one do you think is the farm currently existing under? There were some new economic choices made in this chapter. There's been other economic choices made before. Honestly, I think it could kind of fall. I think you could argue for any of these. I don't necessarily think that there is a true one right answer for this question. I'm just curious to see how you guys argue for the different ones. I I mean this is what Old Major wanted. Is actually what's happening. And then is it this one socialist or is it capitalist? I think there's elements of each. But which one do you think it is overall? That is the last recording for this week. I did them a day early today, so these are going to be up on YouTube Saturday instead of on Sunday. I hope you guys have a lovely week, lovely weekend. I'm recording this on, well, now it's Saturday at 5 p.m., so I don't have much of a Saturday left, but I hope you guys have a spectacular, spectacular weekend, spectacular week. I hope to see some more bright faces at office hours, and I can't wait to kick your guys' butts again at the Zoom Kahoot party. Love you.